ng star o hindi siya star.
Ano?
Yan o. Bilog din. Hindi siya star shape.
Kaya pala ang daming ano? Bakit?
Shhh! Shhh! Palabasin mo nga yung aso doon. Patuhin mo yan.
Baby doggy. Lang. Okay, it's ready. Good. Do you know what? Now you see in the sky, like a so many stars, right? That is not a star shape. It's not a star shape in the sky. Because just its star shape is small circles. Because it looks like in the sky, it looks like teeny tiny circles, not star. That's why. Let me get one more bite. That's big. This is for my breakfast. Okay. Pink in the middle. Look at this one.
Sino?
It's too messy, my brother's teeth.
Ha?
Look at that.
Nabayada na?
This is crazy like that. Let's finish this here. Hey, Ethan. I-clean mo yan, mamaya. Go clean that later. You just messed it. He said no. Okay.